Good morning, and this session is basically about enrollment into the Digital Entrepreneurs Hub. And today, Mr. Dinkar is joining us, and I will be like sharing all the details regarding becoming like a digital entrepreneur, how to become that, and how to enroll in our Digital Entrepreneurs Hub program. So I'm just waiting for the person to enter in the meeting. Till then, I will just share my yeah. I'll just start sharing the screen. I hope you're able to see the screen now. Okay, you can just click on just open Google search and type over there Rajendra Soni, and once you're typing this, you'll be able to go inside. Okay, so Dinkar is there, and he has been connected with us. Hi Dinkar, are you able to hear me and see me properly?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, sir. Good.
Good. So, how you are feeling now today?
Early in the morning, sir.
Yeah. So you had a lot of work, and your shift timings are like quite like awkward, huh? You were saying.
Yes, sir. It is midday shift like.
Mm-hmm. You can turn
So
on your audio, sorry, video if you want.
actually, sir, I just got up, sir.
Okay. Okay,
So
no
let
worries. I'm just taking you to the screen now. Okay.
all
You
right,
will
sir.
just go to Google search, and
Huh.
in Google search you will just type Rajendra Soni. Okay.
Okay.
And you will be able to find all my accounts: LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and my writing platform, and my online university with courses, all these on the first page. Okay. And
Okay.
this session is basically about telling you about the enrollment, because you are ready to enroll with us. You can go to images and you will see all the images like this, and you will also be able to build this type of popularity after joining Digital Entrepreneurs Hub and giving us 1 year. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because this all this popularity and all this I have not run any SEO on this thing, on this page or something. I have done like this is completely my hard work of the last 12 years. I've been writing articles online since last 12 years and written more than 1,000 articles online and generating $1,500 per month from them. And this is my online courses which you were looking at. Okay,
Right, sir.
this is the online university. So I'm just sharing the link with you right now in the
Uh-huh.
chat box.
Okay, sir.
Okay, click on the chat. Over there you will find a link, digitalentrepreneurshub.teachable.com. You can click on that link and you will come to this page. Okay. Now what all you are getting for today's with the joining is that you will be able to enter all these courses bundled together, because I'm a person who shares all these things together as a bundle and there's nothing hidden. Okay. And this will be coming down to a lower price for you also. The first is the model course. Now what you will get in this course, don't go on this pricing or something for all these things. This is a complete bundle package that the main price I'll be sharing with you, and it is available on Facebook also, everywhere public. Okay. Now
All right.
this is the first video which you will start watching after joining this first course, the model course. Okay. How I started writing in 2007, my first check. Okay. Why not to sell articles and creating online system and PayPal payment proofs. How I got powerful motivation to write more than 1,000 articles, giving that power to you. Then after that, after completing these sessions of I think 37 minutes or something, then you will be starting these sessions, how to edit and proofread your articles for quality. Then digital writer's grammar session, then writer's goal setting, motivation, and 1 month, 2 month game plan. Then get your articles edited in live session to pass the writer's boot camp. Then learn to enhance the quality of your write-up. Become a quality writer and start earning separate active income from rajendrasoni.com. How to find your passion, niche, or subject. Learn to create effective and trendy article titles. Become a content creator pro. Learn to create content that pays dividends for the next 10 years. Okay. So all these sessions are of around 12 hours and it will take you around 4 to 5 days to complete them. Now let us go to setup challenge. Once you are completing your model course and you are enrolling in my Telegram community, which is here, I will just show it to you. This is my Telegram community, the inner circle, which you will join after enrollment. Okay, over here in this inner circle, there are 106 writers who have collaborated. This is our main group, which is called Viral Hubs. Okay.
Okay.
This is the main group, and all the people are actually writing articles and sharing over here in this group. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can see all the chat which is running. So all types of prizes, whenever I am giving any prizes or something, all these things are shared over here only. And you can see that we are a total of 106 members, and last member joined I think 3 to 4 days back, Shibhangi Das. Okay, so this is the way through which we are using this community. You can see all the comments that people are posting on other people's social media. All the digital entrepreneurs are helping each other over here. They're also adding comments to each other's post. This is the way prizes are given. Okay. Now this is the way people are, I am telling people to watch the videos and complete the steps. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is the way people are writing articles and those are getting published online in an online setting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's just like a small family over here of 106 members. See, this is the prize which I have given in the writing contest to Vikram Brahma, 5,700 rupees. And then also he's got another transfer of 552 rupees. This 99 transfer he has done for some other, taking some session from me. That was a separate session on coaching, digital coaching. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the way this is the article that he has sent to me, and I have edited the article in the live session as you have already seen it. Okay.
Right.
You have seen of Sushmita Pradhan, na? This one was of Vikram Brahma, and this one was of Sushmita Pradhan. Okay. So all the payments you can see also see the receiving over here. This is Sushmita's receiving. There are a lot of motivation, a lot of inspiration is happening over here when you are joining this very positive and vibrant community of writers. Let me take you to another thing. I want to take you to the writing contest right now. After joining, you will also be eligible for the writing contest, where I am distributing up to $225 of cash prizes, 150, and any Facebook Live or anything which I am doing right now is shared over here. Okay, in this group also. Many things are being broadcasted, and a lot of activities happening. See, I am also giving insights to the writer. Your article is good and I have read it. Poonam Malik. Instead of using A, B, and C that we use in explaining people while writing articles on finance or real estate, you can use some story with fictional names like Saurabh is doing. I think it will have a better impact on the mind of readers. A quality article must take care of 5 important aspects. Who, what, where, when, and why. You have already covered how, and that's really good. Go back in your article and include the content to fulfill this need. Another aspect is, it is my personal way of doing it. You may have a different opinion. See, as an online writer, your role is to provide some solid solutions to your readers. All these insights I'm giving to a person who is an editor, okay, and she's 66-year-old. She's Miss Poonam Malik in our group, and she's a senior, and she's a really good editor, but she is new into writing. While writing your articles, ask yourself this question: am I able to cure my reader's pain? Will I offer this advice to my close friends? Is this a genuine way to provide a solution? Why you have not provided affirmations to your readers to solve their anger issues? Because she's writing, she has written an article on anger issues. Okay. Now, why not create a video of your own and share with your audience of your article instead of sharing videos of others? People love interacting with the author. You will have an increase in traffic and comments on your article once you implement all my strategies. Moreover, your beautiful healing smile will work wonders if you will attach that in your video and will wrap it up as a free gift for your audience. So this is the way I am giving all the insights. And you get 3 hours from Rajinder when you join Digital Writerpreneurs Hub today. Rewards, results, recognition, and 1 more hour, which is respect. Okay. See just what this person wants to say in this group after joining. Just a minute.
Hello everyone. My name is Avyuk Krishna and I'm a 20-year-old college student from Bangalore. I joined the Digital Writerpreneurs Hub back in November 2019. And what impressed me the most was the fact that writing happens as a community here. It's not just certain individuals writing and publishing, but the entire community supports each other, gives each other tips and tricks so that all of us can become better writers together. And that is something that I really love. So for me personally, I didn't have any success in the beginning stages, and this made me very frustrated. And I also got caught up with my college related activities and I quit writing. So now after almost 8 months of procrastination, I'm back to writing. And what inspired me to come back is the community. So even though I was not writing anymore, I was still a part of the groups and I used to constantly get updates of all the new.
Okay, so this is the way people are sharing their reviews also. This is the prize that Avyuk Krishna has bought. What he did is that he joined us in November, but then he started procrastinating. He didn't come back to the group, and he was just he just became a passive member. But now when he has returned, he has become an article, like we can say he's like writing so many articles now, and he's releasing them in the system, publishing them continuously. So this is the magic of the joining the community, very vibrant community under my guidance, and you will be able to get a lot of benefit over here. Build your confidence on camera is also involved over here. Okay. So if you are very shy on the camera, you can come on the camera also with us, and I'll be taking you forward in that. So it's not only about becoming a writer, you will also become a new version of yourself. Okay.
Right.
And many other things are attached. I will just show. Yeah. So this is the way Saurabha has written after the writing contest went live on Facebook. Okay. Writing contest prizes, sorry. The contest prizes that I gave. The dust is settling on yesterday's award ceremony. Only in this community, it is a bi-monthly affair. So bi-monthly means that every 60 days. Previously, I was running contests every 30 days, but many people were not able to basically release the articles, complete the 30 articles, and were not able to earn the prizes. That's why I have increased the time from 30 days to 60 days so that new members who are joining us can start earning the prizes in the beginning. Okay. First of all, congratulations to all the winners, Vikram, Swati, Natasha, and Prateek. But these are there are a lot of other winners as well. Sushi, who kept going till the very end. Nikhil, Arnaba, Poonam ji, and Risha, who upped their writing game this last month. Gopalji, who puts us all to shame with his hunger to learn and grow. Murli ji, Nitin ji, and Prantika ji, our reliable stalwarts. Thankfully, every month the list expands. And the behind the scenes is the gang leader, Rajinder Soni Sarji, who keeps churning out new winners. Some moments that stood out yesterday: Prateek's dream of the hub growing enough to need an office and recruit employees. Nitinji sharing his valuable tips for newbies. Prateek is basically dreaming that now Digital Writerpreneurs Hub is like after the lockdown, it is going in I'm opening an office also because it's all online right now. So I'm opening an office also, and people are coming over there physically. They want to be present as a family now, and they want to connect with me on a personal level also. Okay, so Nitinji sharing his valuable tips for the newbies. You will get a lot of tips from like senior members also. Nitin has won like 3 writing contests, $100 continuously. He has made a hat trick, just like Murli Krishna also has made a hat trick, $100. And Nitin has in 2 months he was able to write so many articles, and he also delivered them, and he generated like a lot of money. He has got more than 25,000 in the writing contest prizes, and now he is getting the payments for his articles that he has written for rajendrasohini.com. And I will just show you the rajendrasohini.com also over here. Okay, so you will get Prakashji nearly summing up everything in his words. Persistent ring out in my ears. Electricity was playing hide and seek with Vikram, and yet he kept going. I salute your spirit, Vikram. Now I know you are a winner. Praveen, who was watching from the top of the terrace, says he was having problem with his connection. Shefali, the newcomer to the group, shared something interesting about there was a general lack of support. There is a general lack of support and encouragement outside, but not in our community. Okay, here in our community, encouragement and support is our oxygen, so easily available, not to be taken for granted. Okay, if you are thinking that you are joining a community like this, it is not possible. This community is basically of writers who are very positive and are sharing their insights, their reviews, their peer reviews, many things, and getting real cash prizes, which is not happening outside in any other community. Okay, so you can see, read the comments over. Good to see all inspiring and smiling faces on one screen. Although I struggled initially to join Zoom as I was unable to hear anybody's voice after a few minutes. So this is Sushi. Sushi was not very comfortable on the camera, but we bought her over there. And this was the prize, the screenshot of the Google Pay prize Bikram has received. And this is basically something which you should go ahead and watch. This is regarding the writing contest, in which I have already given the cash prizes. And many people are duping other people. The same feeling Nitin also had when he joined. You can ask from Nitin if you want to add over.
Sorry, sir, the sharing is disconnected.
Okay, sorry. Thank you so much for reminding me about this. I will just open the sharing. Okay, sharing is disconnected right now. Yeah, I'm unable to actually come back on this position. You were not able to see the Telegram post also?
Yes, sir, I'm not able to see right now.
Oh, so you must have told me at that time. I think there's some issue with the Zoom meeting right now.
Sir, before it was, I was able to see, but right now it got disconnected.
Okay, what I will do is I need to actually, yeah, now I can share the screen. Now, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is the Telegram group which I was sharing at that time. This group, okay?
Okay.
This one, Viral Hub group. And we were over here in the writing contest. These are the cash prizes that have been already given to members. Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Vikram Brahma, Natasha, Prateek, Swati, and Sushmita, Saurabha Mahesh. And this is another group of becoming confident on camera. This will also be given to you. Okay. Then people are winning many accolades outside. People are passing their boot camp of 5 articles and passing their 10 featured articles, getting congratulations.
Hello everyone, my name is Avyuk Krishna and I'm a 20-year-old college student from Bangalore. I joined the Digital Writer Runners Hub back in November 2019, and what impressed me the most was the fact that writing happens as a community here. It's not just certain individuals writing and publishing.
Okay, so you get the 3 R's from Rajinder when you join Digital Writer Runners Hub: rewards, result, and recognition, and one bonus, which is respect. Okay, so all these types of things are shared over here, and this is the way I'm giving all the value over here. Short discussion based post should be for between 300 to 500 words with quick visibility and more comments you will get. Then standard length post should be between 500 to 1000 words. Establish your credibility with readers, get more shares. And I recommend you to write when you are joining. You will be writing at least 800 word article. And if you're writing 1000 word article, that will be really good. Long, well researched and optimized post will boost your search engine rankings and will give you quality traffic. Okay. And there are many other things which you will learn with us. You'll also learn how to become a digital coach in the future and learn to create trendy, on-demand, effective article titles, and learn to generate traffic from social media. Then left several business opportunities that I will be sharing with you. Okay. A lot of things are happening inside the group. And then these are the cash prizes again. And these are the articles which people are sending to me. The digital writer-runners are sending to me, and I am editing them in the live session and then paying them and then posting them on my website. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is a receiving from one of the person regarding a cash prize which I have given to the person. This one. Okay. The live practical session, how to face the camera with confidence. You will be also enrolled in this thing as a bundled a value. How to face the camera with confidence, how to become a digital coach, all these things. This is the way I'm running Facebook live sessions. And this is one of the comments which I have received on the Father's Day from one of my students. And she's saying, people say our father is our first teacher. That's in fact true, but they never say that our teachers are kind of a father too. On the occasion of Father's Day, I want to wish you happy Father's Day, sir. You cared for everyone like a father. You helped everyone whenever they are stuck in their life or in learning. You have done so much of hard work just to make the learning better. You are a teacher, my inspiration, as well as my father too. Thank you, sir, for your time and your way of teaching new things every time to make our learning the best. Thank you, sir, for your great support, and I am happy to join the family which was created by you so that everyone can go ahead and get the benefit. Okay, so you will get lot of things over here, lot of new things in the digital world which are happening. All things will be shared with you, and the insights about how many page views you are generating, how many articles you are writing. These are the articles which someone has already written. Yeah, Poonam Malikji, how to be happy, spread the smiles, how to make friends with anger, coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions, super achievements of tiny wonders, some power-packed short stories, true love in a marriage, avenue to success, know about homonyms, homophones, and homographs. Okay, simplifying subject-verb agreement for error-free writing, how to choose your adjectives and adverbs judiciously, random thoughts and ideas of life. So you will also be able to read all these things, and you will be also able to get insight on each and every article, how the article you have written is performing online. Then how to promote your article on Tumblr, on Twitter, in Facebook groups, in Pinterest. Everything has been loaded for you. Everything. Okay. So this is the way people are generating their 5 featured articles. Then they're getting the cash prizes also, and then they are promoted in the social media. When you're completing your articles on your first 5 articles, then I will be giving you cash prize, and I will be also promoting your article, tagging you in the social media, so that you other clients will be able to know that you are basically becoming a quality writer after joining Digital Writer Runners Hub, Rajinder Sony's team. Okay.
Right.
We are total of 106 members, and a new member Shibangi Das joined us 4 to 5 days or 3 to 4 days back. Okay, this is my emoji which I shared over there, that which I am sharing to promote on my website. So whatever things are coming to me, even I am sharing with my students so that I can get insights from them. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is the way people are sharing that whatever is happening at their end also, and all these things are in front of you. And this is, if you will just scroll in this group, you can go to any length and it will not get over. It is so vibrant, so positive, and filled with lot of information. This group is basically an encyclopedia in itself, encyclopedia for writers. Okay, a lot of information is loaded inside this group, and this information is not available outside. This is only meant for our inner circle members who have joined us after paying one-time fees and have become quality writers. And not only quality writers, now many people are becoming digital coaches, just like me. Okay. So this is the way. Now see, this Prakash Pandey is also with us. He's a Fiverr success coach.
Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well today and learning something new. As a part of our group, we all have been engaging in different activities to boost our confidence in front of the camera. So in today's activity, we are going to find out how you can use these newly acquired skills to create a stronger social network profile, connect with more professionals, and build more connections on LinkedIn. Now, the reason we are working on LinkedIn is that you can find a lot of new clients, new students, as well as new customers for your profession. In today's session, guided by Mr. Rajendra Soni, we'll find out how you can boost your overall outreach through LinkedIn, some tips and tricks that will help you engage with more people and attract more audience towards your profile. So, with that being said, I would request all of you to join me and Mr. Rajendra Soni in today's session so that we can help each other out. Again, remember, the goal here is to indulge in a give and take relationship. We all will be helping each other while boosting or creating a bigger impact for our entire community. So, I hope to see all of you at 7 p.m. today. Let's boost all of our social profiles together. Have a good day. Bye.
So this is the way you are other people. Prakash Pandey joined me around 1 month back, and now he is busy with the birth of his daughter right now, who has just took birth around 10 days ago. Okay, this is Mr. Nagarjuna Reddy, and okay, let us see what first of all what Mr. Gopalanand wants to say inside our group after joining it. He is the senior most member of our team.
Hey guys, good morning. This is G.S. Anand. I am a retired engineer. I am a mechanical engineer and a senior citizen. I am 70 years old and I am entering into this field of digital era, where I have attended a session with Mr. Rajendra Soni, who is CEO of Digital Writerpreneurs Hub. We have a community of 100 plus writers in that, and now we are learning the video making skills. So yesterday we had a session where we had 3 assignments. Number 1 assignment, introductory video. Number 2 assignment where we were to read a motivational script, and number 3 to make a video of 2 minutes out of that script without seeing that script. So that was a homework given.
So this is the way people are getting assignments also, and they need to complete it, so that I am ensuring that you are basically, when you are paying the fees, then after that you are getting down to very good results. Okay. So, okay, yeah, this is something from written by Natasha. Yeah, in this way, people are actually helping and motivating other writers, other people outside also. Natasha, it takes a lot of courage to do what you have just done. There should be a powerful feeling of self-sacrifice when you do something like that, even with the severe risk of developing infection and the heavy weight of all PPE equipment. Now we have got a lot of doctors also in our system. Mr. Dr. Umesh Rawal, who is a pain management specialist, and here is Dr. Umesh Rawal. This one. This is Dr. Umesh Rawal. He is also in our group. Okay, he's a pain management specialist who is getting training from me, and these creatives I have created for him. Okay, so there is a lot of people who have joined us, and over here I was talking about Natasha. Natasha is a physiotherapist, and she joined us a few months back, and she basically when this comment was put over there, at that time Natasha has gone and basically visited people to do COVID-19 testing at their home. She was going at each and every home and she was doing the testing because she's a physiotherapist and she was given this task by the government. Okay, so let us go ahead and see what all these guys want to say.
Hey, hello everyone. Arjun here. Today is a day that we should respect the environment.
Actually, these people were very shy on the camera and all have improved a lot after getting my training. So you are not only becoming a good writer over here, you will become a digital expert. You will be becoming a social media expert. You will also learn how to basically you will be also able to grab so many fields out of you will have a choice, lot of choice over there to grab. See, a good writer, you should be a quality writer and you should be a quality a person who can share his stories also. Okay, so if you are able to share your stories through videos, that will be also a positive point. Now let us see what she wants to say.
From the fruits of your action. Namaste. I'm Saurabha and I have addressed many people, but speaking in Tamil is always
Sir, volume is too less, sir.
Now this Nagarjuna was very shy on the camera in the beginning. See.
Maybe Arjun here. Today I want to share a few feelings about the group which we have created. Our group is running like a bullet train. Everybody is getting more excited and they are doing their task successfully. I'm really thankful to everyone for adding us the group. Thank you very much, Rajendra, for your extraordinary efforts and dedication towards making us from zero to hero. Now we are heroes. Everybody feel like a hero.
Okay, this is Dr. Umesh Rawal that I just shared with you, and you can see how he is getting engaged with our group. By the time it is downloading, I can show you other things. Yeah, this one also. And this is, I'm also giving away Community Assistance Award. Suppose you're a person who has joined us and you're helping other new writers in the system, then you will also generate Community Assistance Award over there. Okay, and this is on the LinkedIn. And after posting this video, Sneha has become very popular in the social media. See the comment she is receiving on LinkedIn.
I am sure you are safe, healthy at home. It is me, Sneha Bhatt from Bangalore. I'm very new to this hub pages or writers community. What I thought is writing article is a one thing that is missing in my passion list. I thought I can explore much by joining such communities. And if I want to speak something about yesterday's session, then it was really an interactive session. The best part that I liked in yesterday's session was our versatile, enthusiastic leader, Rajendra Soni sir's beautiful smile. Yes, I know. Even you all will agree with my point, right? Yes. I always share this point to my friends or to my students precious gift that you can gift it to others to boost one's confidence. With these words, I conclude my introduction video. Thank you all. Have a pleasant day.
And this video is loaded on LinkedIn by me on my profile, and you can see the likes and the comments which are happening. More than 238 views also, and a lot of comments which are coming over here. Okay, in this way I calculate the views also, that how the views are coming on the articles also and on the videos also. Okay, so these are the 17 reactions which has happened, and all the things, everything, all the insights we have over here for you. Now let us close this. If you want to go to my LinkedIn profile, as we have landed on our LinkedIn profile, so we can go ahead and check it out. This is my LinkedIn profile. My mission is to connect with 2 lakh writers in India and help them create multiple streams of income. I started with Mullication 10 months ago, and now I am already connected with and adding value to 106 writers. Maybe it will take me 5 to 10 years to reach my goal, but I won't stop. So if you're a person who is basically goal oriented, if you are very like inside your mind, you're very powerful and you are consistent with your approach, then you will be able to get a lot of success with our group. And many people who have joined are receiving a lot of good comments from their colleagues, also from their bosses, from their friends, from their relatives, from their kids, from their family. A lot of things are happening over here. And this is my profile, and you can see my recommendations also, which I have received from several people. These were my trainees, Ankita Gupta and Ranjana Sharma. Rajinder possesses excellent analytical skills, very good managerial capabilities, extremely good at problem finding and providing practical recommendations, which adds value to the work. His command over English language is equally good. He is very professional and hardworking and has a never say no attitude. He is open for suggestions and strives for perfection. He knows the skill of managing the work in an efficient manner and is a great person to hang out with. Another person is Ranjana, and these were my trainees in my office when I was in Aptera Corporation Noida as a managing editor. Okay, the copywriting skills I acquired at Aptera was my company, helped me to date and would continue to do so for a long-term future. Rajinder not only mentored me to learn the editing tool and style guide, but also apply certain skills that assist in fast execution of editing job. He has been supportive throughout my learning journey and been an honest critique of the task at all stages. In addition to being a diligent manager, he is a meticulous copy editor. His efficient multitasking ability can anytime be vouched for. Now,
Sir, Aptera, you are a managing editor over there?
I was a managing editor at Aptera Corporation Noida.
Okay, this is your company?
No, not my company. This is a very big company. There are 12,000 employees over there. I was an editorial manager over there from August 2016 to present. And before that, I was a senior copy editor. Before that, a copy editor over there. Okay. So now, side by side, I have created this system. Now you can see the writers part, how writers are feeling after joining me, or being my colleague. Patty English MS has said this in November 24, 2011. Rajinder Soni is a dedicated professional that shows integrity and dedication in his work and personal life in an ongoing habit of excellence. He can produce outstanding written materials for nearly any topic. His readers agree that his work is thought-provoking, entertaining, and high quality. Overall, it is a pleasure to know Rajinder Soni. Then Gary Anderson, Sangeet Jaiswal, Venkatesh Iyer, Maria Hardy, Mark Rollins, Sunil Kumar, all these comments, you can go ahead and read them. I'm just sharing the link over here. Otherwise, you can just type Rajinder Soni in Google search and you will be able to go over there. I'm opening the chat and sharing this link with you. Here you go. Okay. So all these things you will learn after joining us, and I am receiving a lot of friendship requests on LinkedIn all the time throughout the day. Okay, this is Prateek Jain. Prateek Jain is our community manager for Digital Data Analytics Hub. He's basically a senior officer for IDFC First Bank, a blogger, tax consultant, and freelance content writer also. And he is also a community manager for Digital Data Analytics Hub. Okay. And these are all our people, like many people from here. He's focusing on his niche. I've given him a niche of like credit score. So he's CIBIL score, and he's focusing on that niche. And this is the reason he's adding value on his LinkedIn profile. Then we can go to Nitin Kher if you want to meet Nitin Kher. He is also our digital writer. He is the person who is a person development certified life fulfillment coach and certified executive coach. And this person has won a lot of cash prizes from my system and has given me many articles. Like many articles have been published on rajendrasohni.com. Let me take you to the rajendrasohni.com also. This is my website. You can read my mission statement over here. Then the features. Then you can get to know what is digital writer pinning. Digital writer pinning is the most advanced field of for aspiring writers. After joining the training, aspiring writers can become self-sufficient entrepreneurs in the writing and allied fields and can launch their startups. Coaching is provided to groom writers in the fields of effective writing, editing, and proofreading, self-branding, and becoming confident on camera. The writers can choose from a range of diverse fields while generating money from multiple streams during the training period and after the training period also. Okay. So what is the Digital Entrepreneurs Writing Contest all about? How I can earn money from that? All aspiring writers who enroll for the Digital Entrepreneurs Hub training become eligible for Digital Entrepreneurs Writing Contest. So only writers who have joined my training are eligible for the writing contest, not outside. Outside people are not allowed. Okay.
Right.
The contests are conducted every 60 days. The trainee writer needs to complete 30 featured articles during this period. In 60 days, 30 articles. Upon successful completion of the articles, the winners are selected and cash rewards are distributed in live sessions. The cash rewards are $100, $50, $25, and many consolation prizes of $10 each. Trainee writers receive cash rewards and digital appreciation at each level of training. This is very important to motivate you to write. See, if you are not following up, if you are getting busy with your job or something, I will be like following up with you. I'll be sending my community manager to you and bringing you back in the system that you have paid the fees. So you should be you have done all your hard work also till now. So you should go move forward with your journey. So you will not be able to stop once you join us. Okay.
Right, sir.
Then community assistance awards and surprise cash prizes is a regular affair in our group. And I give you cash prizes to motivate you because cash is a very motivating factor. If I will give you an ebook, if I will give you free course, that will not be so valuable because with cash, I can show you in the social media also as a quality writer. When I am showing you as a quality writer in the social media, then what happens that other clients and my colleagues who are digital coaches, they also see that this person is performing a lot and then they call you. Okay, they call you by sending you a request on Messenger or from LinkedIn messages. Okay, they will call you and they can assign you more work from outside. So after joining us, you will not have to think about work also as a freelance writer also. Okay. Then why writers need the passion niche? Now I also give you niche clarity after completing your 10 articles. Once you complete your 10 articles on any topic, first 10 articles could be on any topic. And then after that, I will give you a niche. And regarding niche, you can read all these things. Go back in your past, think about your college days, your most passionate days. So you don't have to go to this part right now, because if you will go to this part, then you will not be able to focus on your first 10 articles. I want you to I want to smooth your journey completely, bring you to the system and make you familiarize with all the things first of all, and then you can go and get your niche, because if I will give you niche clarity in the beginning, you will get stuck. Okay.
Right, sir.
Now you can also go ahead and watch this video. This is a 2-hour video. Whatever things I am explaining right now, these are also explained over here in a different manner. Every time you will get new information from me. Nothing will be stale. No Basa type of information. Every time new information about the digital world, new opportunities, new things to follow, constantly updating system. Okay, this is the, you can also make EMIs. I will just share all the details with you right now. Now about the investment part. Now, whatever investment you are doing right now will be like you will be adding this investment for the next 50 years to your profile. Okay. So these are the student reviews. You have gone through all of them, and these are the like reviews on the Google business page also. And these are my recent blogs. Suppose, just a minute, I will just show you the blogs that have been written. Yeah, this article has been written by Nitin Kher. I will just show you how the article is written and then how the person is getting paid. You have already seen that how the people are getting paid. Now the time has come to enroll for the course, because I have already given you a lot of information and I have another session due. What do you think is the most essential skill to become a writer? Storytelling skills, persistency and imagination, reading, patience, passion, empathy, no prejudices, no objective, good vocabulary, mindfulness, ability to express in words, good observation, command over the language, conclusion. All these things are happening and you will be developing these skills even if you don't have them right now. I would just want to share one more thing with you. Yeah, how to test your writing skills. If you want to go through this article also, you can go. What I want to share with you is that what is happening at the end. See, when you give your articles to clients outside as a writer, then they will take your articles, then they will pay you, and then they will not give you your name. But in our system, you will get name also, name and fame, everything. Written by, this article was written by Nitin. I have given him due acknowledgement over here. Credibility, written by Nitin Kher. When you will click on this link, it will go to LinkedIn profile of Nitin. So what will happen? People who are coming to my website, rajendraswamy.com, which is very popular, when the people will come to my website, then they will read the article and they will click on Nitin Kher profile. And Nitin is now, what is happening is, and Nitin is getting a lot of work out of that. A lot of clients are approaching him. He is getting very good money, earning a lot of money in terms because of this popularity. Okay.
Right, sir.
So this is a really positive thing, really good thing which is happening. Now this is written by Nitin Kher, certified life fulfillment coach and certified executive coach, edited by Rajendra Soni, CEO Digital Admittance Hub. When the person will click on my profile, the person will go to my LinkedIn profile. Okay. So the person who is reading your article will also check that the editor is also a person of credibility, because they will check my recommendations, they will see my page and everything, na? All these things. Okay. There are more than 3,800 connections on LinkedIn with me, and more than 4,900 connections on Facebook. So all this is increasing the visibility of your articles also, of your popularity also. Okay.
Right,
so don't think that this is a course just for like becoming a writer. This is you will become lot of a completely new version of yourself in just 2 to 3 months. So, but you need to follow up each and every day. You need to follow up with whatever I am saying to you. Okay.
right, sir.
See, get paid to write articles. Everything is happening over here on our system. Now, these are the myths and truths. Once I buy the course, that is it. Then I am on my own. The truth is, nothing can be further from the truth. Buying the course is just the first step. Immediately, you become the part of a dynamic, vibrant community and are guided from end to end. Okay. Now, the myth number 2. I know to write, but I don't have the technical wherewithal, and the digital world scares me. Okay. So the truth is, joining the DWH will burst all your fears. I will help you conquer all your fears first of all, because with each and every student, I first of all work inside their system, inside their mind, what is happening over here. Okay. So whenever you are having any issue, you're not feeling good, that to move forward with something or something, you're getting stuck, I will help you in that. You can call me, you can talk with me, and I will be able to give you a direction, a path. Students and retired personnel have all benefited from this training and have gone on to make the mark in the digital writing world. More than 350, now more than 700 articles have already been published by the students of this course. And myth. This committee is all just hogwash. I doubt if my questions will be answered. Probably it will be system generated and there will be no one to actually talk to. So this is happening outside, but not happening inside our community. The truth is, this is a 100+ strong community which is growing day by day. I am the chief mentor. My name is Rajinder Soni, and I am always available in the Telegram groups to resolve any issues and clarifications. You can send me a WhatsApp message also. You can call me up. If I am free, I will be talking with you, and otherwise you can take an appointment. That is not all. This is a very active, helpful community, and everyone watching out for others. All people are helping each other. In fact, there are surprise awards for community assistance and other awards which ensure that the community is very vibrant and buzzing on a daily basis. Something new is happening, some new activities to do, so that you are not lagging behind and you're moving forward on your journey to success. Okay. The fourth myth is, I have heard that a lot of these courses are outdated, and though one can learn, difficult to apply for that reason. Now, the most important thing which I am going to share with you is, this course is as updated as you can get. The way you are updating with the system, the courses are also getting updated, because all the sessions that I'm doing with you guys are recorded inside the system. So all the sessions that have been done 10 months, since the last 10 months, are more than 100 hours have been already recorded for you. Whenever you are having any issues or some problem in the system, I will just point it out to you. Just go to that video, watch that video of half an hour or 1 hour, and solve your issues. If the issues are not solved, come to the community, ask your question. We will help you, and the members will help. If the members are not there to help, then I will help. The manager will help. The manager is not there to help, I am there to help. Okay, so there are complete system, step-by-step system over there in place. Okay, the courses are relevant and fresh, hot and updated. Now I will show you that why I am saying that these are updated. Let me take you to the Rajinder Soni Facebook profile. Okay, while I am scrolling through this Facebook profile, I will just show you something else. Yeah, suppose I am writing over here, Nikhil Sharma. Okay, so these people are basically getting guided by me, and I'm telling them to, whatever things I'm telling them, they are basically doing those things on the system also. See the way this is written, every business is a solution to mankind. This person is a digital marketing enthusiast now and want to be a techopreneur. Okay, so that's why he is creating his mission statement also, and I will tell you about mission, vision, and purpose statement creation also. And one more thing, if you want to see Prakash Pandey's profile, he's also getting training from me to become a digital coach. He's already a writer. He wants to become, he is a Fiverr success coach now. He's on a mission to help 1 lakh professionals become successful freelancers. Okay, so these things he is creating after getting connected with me, and he has already got 500+ connections over there. This is a mission statement, and this is Natasha Tungare's post, which I just shared with you, and this is Nikhil Sharma's post. He is adding value in form of 5 new words every Friday on his LinkedIn profile, and a lot of people are commenting below his post. Okay.
Sir, was it tech writer, sir?
Hanji?
What is tech writer?
Technology पे लिखते हैं ना, technology writer.
Okay.
A writer who writes on technology. Okay. तो जिसका जो फील्ड है उस पर भी लिख सकते हैं ना, नीश, जैसे नीश है आपकी, आपका सब्जेक्ट है अगर, this is a like a community system, like this is happening. This is Natasha Tungare, Nitin Kher, Vikram Brahma, Shefali, Ajay. Shefali was from outside. Murli Krishna, Priyanka Patera, Prakash Pandey, Risha Khan, Prateek Jain, all these guys. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Now I would like to take you to the that thing which I okay, so a lot of insight, lot of value you can get from the system. Now what I have done is that I have bundled up all the courses for you to give it to you at a very low price so that it is not hurting your pocket. Actually, I have like a lot of comments have been written below that those courses. I'm just taking you over there. More than I think 80 comments are there, left by several writers who have already joined me, and their reviews are posted below the courses. And everything is available on the public page. Even it takes a lot of time to scroll down and go to that part. And I have missed that, I think, the link over there. I'm just bringing you to that place in a moment. See over here, you can see 10 months. Digital Awareness Hub completed 10 months while achieving great success. Now, what are the achievements? Mission was to, just like any other business, it started with an idea. The idea was to motivate and train aspiring people in India who wanted to become online writers and empower them with effective writing, social media, traffic generation, and online monetization skills. Cause is to help Indian writers find their unique corner in the vast expanse of World Wide Web, dominated by the 5% successful influencers. Achievements: empowered more than 100 writers, helped them in pursuing their online writing career, conducted more than 100 hours of live webinars and meetings, provided personal niche clarity to several writers, distributed several cash prizes to keep them motivated to write and help them build their brand. Due to this training, writers have received recognition in social media and appreciation from their office colleagues, friends, and families. Top performers who are personally recommended by DW Hub have started acquiring freelance assignments from clients, connected many writers with digital marketing agencies and coaches to help them get additional work. Now my future vision is to motivate and train top performers and help them become digital leaders or teachers. Okay, and these are the comments that you can go ahead and read on my profile. Nitin Kher, Naveen Srivastava, Natasha Tungare, Prantika Samanta is a really good editor who is also the backbone of our group. Sushmita Patro, the same person who gave me the article. Mr. Gopal Anand, the 70-year-old guy. Sijini Manoj, Swati Khandelwal, you have already seen the video. Prakash Pandey, you already seen the video. Saurabha Adiga, Rohini Gupta, Nagarjuna Reddy, you already seen the video for that person also. This is my family. My father is no more now. Okay, let us go to the next part. The writing contest. This session was done by Prakash Pandey on Grammarly also. So you will also get to learn about various other things, how to use Grammarly tool, how to use many other things. Okay. So yeah, this was the part which I wanted to take you. Saurabha Adiga won the 5 digital bootcamps prize, digital awareness bootcamp prize. Poonam Malik won the prize for passing the bootcamp. Swati Khandelwal, Sushi, lot of prizes, lot of Prateek Jain, Nitin Kher, Community Assistance Awards. Ashish writer. This was 3750. Community Systems Award. Then there are a lot of cash prizes over here also. This is Anamika Jain. She is no more. She was my fellow writer. Since 2010, I connected with her. So I am connecting with the online writers community also present on Facebook. Clara Gomez, Peggy Woods, Neeli Frendar, Nitya Venkat, Chitrangada Sharan, Rima Vijayan, Prantika Samantha, all are paying tribute to Anamika Jain. She was a writer who was writing on basically gemstones and astrology. And this is my comment, which this is her comment which she wrote on my article many months back, many years back, sorry, 10 years ago. Thanks, Anamika, smart users of electricity. That was an article on electricity usage, and she's writing great tips. Some of the tips were new to me. I used to get huge electricity bills too, but now what I get is very nominal charges because of smart usage. Okay, so this is, I am just like tagging her over there, and then many people are paying their tributes because she is no more in this world. And let us go to Risha Khan. Risha Khan has also added a lot of value to the group. Akash Agarwal has also got the payment for completing his first 5 articles. Arnaba Saha Community Systems Award. Yeah, now these are the courses. These are the reviews. I'm just going to share this link with you. Just a minute. I hope this link is coming over here. I'm not able to pull this link from here. I can give you this link, but I can open this link in new incognito window. Okay, first of all, you can read other reviews also. And now you're not only getting 7, you are getting 10 courses and another course which is in a preparation. It is 11th course. Okay, everything bundled together. Then daily mastermind session, writers committee membership, personal expert guidance, writing contest, cash prizes, surprise cash prizes, exclusive entry to writeforrajendrasoni.com also. And these are the reviews that you can go ahead and read. Let us see what Nitin is writing. These courses are packed with value. They are practical and useful to pursue a career in writing, copywriting, and related fields. The cash prizes are a booster. There's also a community of helpful people. You will become a good writer and start earning from the system. I have already earned more than 25,000 rupees from the system and also started getting content writing jobs from outside. I am thankful to Rajendra Soni for his guidance and inspiration. Please join the system and experience for yourself. Okay. Then Pugazanti Kanaga. Then Suman Kalyangiri, Risha Khan, Fatima Samreen, Naveen Srivastava, Nikhil Sharma, Gopal Anand, Swati Kandelwa, Vikram Brahma, Ranjan Kumar, Akash Agarwal, Sharmila Roy, Mahesh Gaur, Sundarajani Sharma, Exash Sharma, Priyanka Bhadu, and Shibangi Das, who has just joined us. She wrote this comment 6 weeks ago, and now she has joined. And Ashish Jain, Sijani Manoj, Mayur Ramesh Dhupe, Murli Krishna Helmane. You can go ahead and read all these comments also. And how I can give you this link is I can just click on this photograph. Yeah, if I will give you this link, then you will be able to see the reviews or read the reviews. Okay, this is the link to reviews. Okay, and this is the link to the payment page. I'm just sharing with you. I've given you the payment link also. Now, let us go to this point first by clicking on this link. I hope you have got the right link for payment. Click on this link. If that's not working, click on the next link. You will get 10 courses as of now. Lifetime evolving 10 courses, weekly mastermind sessions, writers community membership, personal expert guidance, writing contest, cash prizes, surprise cash prizes, and exclusive entry to write for businesswin.com and get paid for each article at 50 paisa per word. All this worth 80,000 INR at just 35,000 was the last price which was happening. But today's special offer is 25,000 INR only. And you will get all these courses which are shared over here. You can go to each and every course and check the modules by clicking on this link. Total more than 100 hours now, because I have loaded more sessions to this course. And whatever courses are coming in, whatever new courses will be coming in, those will be giving to you in this bundle only as a free gift. Okay, no more charges, only for one-time charge. So click on this link and you will get model. You will go to model course, which is valued at 9,999 INR with 12 hours of videos, powerful practical sessions, not recorded sessions, practical live sessions. Then you will learn over here building blocks of a digital advanced business, proven goal setting formula, self-discovery to writing freedom, PayPal earnings proof, Google AdSense checks, 4 skills required to master this game, writers goal setting, grammar session, edit and proofread articles. Then you will enter the setup challenge, which is valued at 19,999 INR, but giving you in the bundled same value as just 25,000 in this package only. Or everything is in bundled. Setup challenge contains 26 hours of videos and is the complete it is basically for the first 12 videos it's a screen share and then it's live recorded sessions. Okay, so it will be covered in 21 days. Let us go to the next part. What you will get over there: niche clarity, high quality article writing, writing from scratch as a beginner, getting insights from comments, creating on videos from photographs, earn maximum money, how to do that, earnings program, then text call out and videos, maps, generate organic traffic, step-by-step training included, popularity building session, 3-hour editorial training, learn to correct grammatically incorrect sentences. Okay, then you will go to mastermind course, which is valued at 29,999 INR, but again giving to you, it contains 35 hours of videos, 30-day course, and it contains a lot of videos, a lot of big videos, small videos also, 28 minutes, 63 minutes, 56 minutes, 48 minutes. Concept and niche clarity examples again, mastermind, reprogramming the subconscious mind, personal secrets, and unique topics to write in Google, how to make maximum money in the writing contest, how to write articles to sell Amazon products and earn lifetime commission, how to rank #1 in Google search, in inner circle game plan, traffic generation part 1, 2, 3, and how to edit and proofread your articles, get started with writing platform, how to edit and proofread your articles again, how to pass your articles through quality assessment process, article promotion strategies, editing and doubt clarity session, interactive and effective writing session, how to write effectively part 1 editing rounds, then mastermind advanced training to generate traffic and money, $1 million training session for affiliate program. Okay, so all these things have been done for you. These are 3 courses. Just I have more courses which will be given to you as a free gift inside this courses as a package. Now this is a 6-day course, the new writing system, clearing your writer's block, benefits of mission, vision and purpose statement, transform yourself from a writer to digital coach in the advanced stages, learn to create trendy on-demand effective titles for articles, generate maximum traffic and generate money in the holiday season. Then learn to become a digital coach in 60 days. It contains more than 8 hours now. I have mentioned 8 hours, but it is more than 8 hours now. I think it is more than 12 hours now. No, not 12 hours, just a minute. 82, 41, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 9 or 10 hours. Okay. Become a digital coach in 60 days. Live niche study session for coaches. How to set up your online university loaded with courses. Set up and launch your email campaign system. Create and set up your payment pages to convert your audience. How to set up your first webinar as a digital coach. Dummy presentation for download and practical training to create your first digital webinar presentation. Create a kick-ass webinar presentation to convert your audience into customers. All these things have been done for you, and this course is an evolving course, and more videos will be added below these. In all courses, more videos will be added. 6 courses. Learn to generate traffic from social media. This is valued at 9,999 INR. And promote articles on Facebook to generate traffic. Traffic lead generation from LinkedIn. Very powerful course. Learn to write a profile and promote articles. Boost on LinkedIn. Live interactive session. Write comments and generate traffic from your articles. Special unique content creation ideas for digital entrepreneurs. Okay. Now launch your website and get Google AdSense approval. Separate course for website owners. If you say that I want to create my website also, so this is for those people. Build your website and apply for Google AdSense. New website creation, about us, contact us, privacy policy page creation. Create your first landing page and install useful plugins. Create your editor's page and add more AdSense friendly content. Why Google AdSense is rejected. Precautions that you need to take. Upload your first article and promote on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Website owners, inspiration for website owners and valuable tip for quality writing session. Learn article rephrasing, editing, and uploading to your website. So in each and every course, you will get a lot of value. These are just 7 courses which I mentioned, but I am giving you 10 courses today if you join. So those are, let us go to digitalentrepreneurs.hub.teachable.com. And these are all the courses. Now what you're getting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 have been already done for you. Now the 8th course, learn to build a strong personal brand. Then the 9th course, learn affiliate marketing also. In the 10th course, how to be not shy and face the camera with confidence. This course is also valued at 1,999 and will be given to you 6 hours of videos and very powerful course. Okay. Now, and this course is in preparation right now. How to proofread and edit your articles like a pro. I will be adding several sessions and lectures in this course, which I will be doing in the coming days. Right now, I have just added 1 session. Okay. So these courses will increase, but will be same for you. If you want to become a writer, good writer, and a coach also in the future in advanced training, then this course is meant for you. Now you can just go to this link which I have shared, the payment link in the chat box. I'm going to the chat box. I'm going to that link, clicking it, the last link. Dinker, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now when you will go through and you will read all these things, the value that you are getting, then after that you will go to this place, you will add your email ID, then your phone number, and click on pay. Now if you use a credit card, if you use a debit card, just pay through the debit card directly. If you use a credit card, then you can click on EMIs, and here are the EMI plans with all the banks. Okay, choose your bank, create the EMI, 3-month EMI at 8,500 or 6 months at EMI at 4,313 or 9 months, whatever you want. You have got EMIs up to 24 months. Okay, and then make the payment, and once you are sharing the screenshot with me, then I will enroll you in our, first of all, in our like all the courses from here directly in this group, and through the admin login. You will share your email ID with me, and I will enroll you in my courses from this page. I've already got more than 421 students who have joined some or other course in the system. More than 433. sorry, 433. So you will be added from here. I will click on add students. What is your name?
Dinkar sir, Dinkar.
And Dinkar then?
Singh, Singh.
Pardon?
Singh.
Dinkar Singh. Okay. Email ID?
DSAI.
ESAI.
No, D for doctor, DSAI.
Okay.
JARI.
Okay.
At gmail.com. But DE नहीं है sir. D है खाली D.
Okay. Dinkar Singh.
हाँ.
Okay. DSAIGARI और GARI.
हाँ ठीक है sir, ठीक है.
ठीक है सब कुछ. And then you will be added in the course. Right now I am adding you in the model course. Dinkar. Please check your email, Dinkar.
Okay sir.
Yeah, you have been enrolled in the first course. And I will be enrolling you in other courses once you make your payment. Okay? Because you have already shared that you are really interested in joining us. So I am just going back and stopping the screen share. Now tell me, Dinkar, how you are feeling?
It's
Are you
good,
feeling
sir.
good?